All right, now I think we'll move on to current events because that seems to be something that everybody wants to talk about are current events. A couple of current events that are affecting my industry, reality capture, remote sensing, would probably be the DJI drone ban. So this has kind of been going on for a very long time. Like I got into the drone industry in 2016, and it's sort of always been a constant conversation of like, well, DJI, they're a Chinese company. There's some security concerns, especially if you're working on a project that is a United States government project. So this kind of been a constant conversation, but recently it sounds like DJI has been officially blacklisted. I've heard some people say that it's hard to get drones in the United States right now. They were selling them at Best Buy last I checked. Let me do some fact checking on the DJI blacklist because I'm not sure. So according to Google here, as of December 23rd, 2025, the FCC officially added DJI to its covered list, banning authorization for new drone models and wireless components in the United States due to national security risks. While this restricts future sales of new technology, it does not ground existing drones, which remain legal to fly. Okay, so that's some news. New drone models will not be authorized for sale in the United States. Well, this will be very interesting then, because I wonder what that will actually look like. Can you still get a new model drone through DJI from unofficial channels? I don't know. We'll see. And if you did, would you be able to fly, or would there be some sort of geofencing like we've seen around airports? Would there be some sort of IP address or other GPS position that would prevent you from actually activating and flying those new model drones? I don't know. I guess we'll see. If you are a pilot and if you've been flying a new model DJI drone since the December 23rd ban, please leave a comment below. That's very interesting. We'd like to hear how you're working around that. I guess we'll figure out in 2026 what the implications of that DJI ban actually look like. Are people able to get them, on the black market and fly them? Or is this just like all new DJI models are just outright geofence, blocked, banned, prevented from flying in the United States? If you know the answer, please leave a comment and let us know. Otherwise, we'll continue to monitor the situation. So last I checked, I would be shocked if you couldn't just buy one of these off of Amazon. I was just in ABT, which is a big appliance reseller out here. And, they had DJI cameras, DJI drones. Like I do know that you really cannot fly a DJI drone if it is in relation to a government project. Yeah, so I'm just on Amazon right now. Looks like they're selling the Neo Mini 4K. The DJI Air S3, this is kind of the newest, which means it's like professional grade, but still at a consumer entry point. It's always been kind of a funny market, right? Like early on, you kind of like, there'd be some guy who bought like 100 of these and he'd have them in his basement and he'd be like a reseller. I think especially with like large companies, there's like official procurement channels. If you're just like an individual looking to buy one of these, I don't think there's an issue. But yeah, DJI, best drones in the market, in my opinion. They have the best product. I don't think this has anything to do with that. Why they're getting banned, I think it's simply a trade war, China, US stuff. And I think it makes sense why the DJIs and other Chinese manufactured drones would be blacklisted or banned from being used on government projects. However, I don't think that there is necessarily a material concern for anybody that is a hobbyist, or certainly not somebody who's just doing like marketing or media type drone flights, drone videos.